Hello friends, this is Lokesh from Ionix India. Today I bring to you the most awaited product in India, a filter that will take care of hard water, scaling, iron, sediment or any problem that comes in water, any kind of impurities that comes in water, and will take care of your expensive washing machines and dishwashers. This is called as a two-stage Ionix dishwasher or washing machine filter. It's a very simple, easy to install, easy to service, easy to maintenance filter that you can install anywhere in your apartment, in your house or in your factory or anywhere where you have washing machines or dishwasher. All you need to do is just take the pipe which is coming from your washing machine, connect it to this filter, and from this filter connect a pipe to your washing machine or dishwasher. This two-stage filter works on three kind of filtration. As you see here, the first is a sediment filter. So any insoluble particle up to 5 micron, which is basically any kind of dirt, mud, sand that comes into water, would be filtered by this particular stage of our filter. The second filter is a special patented product, which is the iron and scaling remover. So this will also take care of the hardness also. So the iron and scaling remover will take care of any iron, will reduce the effect of iron in your water and save your expensive clothes. Will also remove any kind of scaling or salt that comes along in the water. So this two-stage water filtration system can be fitted with any of the automatic or semi-automatic washing machines that are available across the country. Now we'll do an unboxing of one of the orders and I'll show you the installation process also. Now we'll do an unboxing of the filter set. So this is the kind of box we are using. In the box you get a filtration system. In the box you get connection pipe, one set of connectors, one Teflon tape, filtration system, properly wrapped in bubble, wall screws and a spanner. So this is a pipe that you would be using. So that's all that you get inside the filtration box. Now this is a spanner. This is used to screw or unscrew the housings. These are two connectors. These connectors will connect on the either side of the filter like this. Of course, after applying the Teflon tapes. These are the two wall screws. You need to hang the filter on the wall, so you have to use the wall screws. This is a connection pipe. So this pipe will be used to connect the output of this filter to the input of your washing machine. That I'll show you in a few minutes. This is a Teflon tape that would be used on all the male threads. Now I'll show you an existing setup on how to do the installation of this particular filtration system to your existing washing machine filter setup. We have created a similar setup as you have in your house for a washing machine, for any washing machine. So all automatic, semi-automatic, manual washing machines come with this kind of inlet. So this is a kind of inlet and this is a pipe which is connected to your washing machine, which is coming from the tap to supply the water. We have created this setup. I'll show you on how to proceed with the installation. First of all, you have to put in the filters. So to put in the filters in place, open filter 1, the sediment filter. The filter will be wrapped in polythene. So remove the polythene. So you have to make sure that there is this ring at the top and the bottom of this filter. So you just put the filter inside the housing in this way. There's a silicone o-ring at the top and the bottom of the filter that keeps any water from bypassing the filter. Okay, so filter 1 is ready. So there's a groove which is coming out of the filter of the housing. You have to put the hole of this filter that should go inside the groove this way. Filter 2, you have to open the filter 2. So this is a special iron remover cartridge. This has anti-scaling media and iron remover inside. Okay, so So you open the poly wrap. Now this filter has to be placed in the housing so that this black washer should be there at the top. Okay, so in the same way we put the filter 1, we put the filter 2. It's there in the place. Now we screw these housings to the filter. This first one is the sediment filter. We screw it like this. Use the spanner to make it tight. In the first housing, I forgot to show you, if these O-rings, it's a double O-ring filtration housing. So these O-rings have to be in place. One is this silicone washer which is there. I'll remove and show it to you. So one is placed here on the bottom side, and one O-ring is there inside the top groove. So it's a dual O-ring housing. Dual O-ring is to prevent any kind of leakage. So there's a double protection of leakage. So in case if your housing is leaking, you have to make sure, or your plumber has to make sure, any technician who is installing has to make sure that these rings are in place. Now as the rings are in place, I'll just screw this housing inside the cap. Use the spanner to tighten it. So this filter is ready for use. Now next step would be to apply the Teflon tapes on all the thread parts. So there are in all 4 thread parts, 2 on one of the adapter and 2 on the other adapter. One adapter will go to the inlet and one adapter will go to the outlet. So just apply some Teflon tape. If there is no Teflon, there will be leakage. So make sure you apply proper Teflon tape. Teflon can be applied on the rings also, rings which are there on the adapters. Now we connect these adapters, one to the inlet and one to the outlet. Inlet and outlet are also marked on the filter. So I'll connect the adapter here. So as I said before, our filters are really easy to install and easy to maintain, so you don't really need any tools to do the installation. You can do it yourself, and if you're not sure if you would be able to do it, you can ask the plumber to do it. Now coming to your existing setup. Now after this is done, you have connected the connectors. You need to hang this housing on the wall. The pipe that we are supplying is about 1.5 meters in length, so you have to hang the housing in a distance, at max distance of about 1.2 1.3 meters, so that there is some option to move the pipe whenever you are doing the service. So at maximum distance of 1 meter from the washing machine, you have to hang the filter. You can use the wall screws that we provide. Okay, now I'll show you the setup at your home. Let's assume that we have already hung the housing. There are grooves at the back of the plate to hang the housing. So you just need to put 2 wall screws, one here and one here. I mean 2 wall screws on your wall, and you can hang your housing there. Now the next step would be this we have tried to create a setup of a washing machine wall with a pipe. So this is a washing machine pipe which is coming from the tap. So that's how your existing setup is. So what you need to do is you need to take out this, disconnect this pipe from your existing setup. Okay, and as I said, you have to make sure that there is Teflon tape on all the male thread fittings. So there's a male thread fitting at the behind the washing machine also. Just apply Teflon tape there. Now the pipe which is coming from your tap, this has to be connected to the inlet of our filter. Now the size of male thread of the filter matches the size of the female thread of your washing machine pipe. So connect your pipe to the filter. So the water will flow through the filters and from the filter to the washing machine. Now the second pipe that we provide you with the filtration system, you have to connect one end of this pipe to the outlet of the filter. Screw the pipe to the outlet of the filter, and now this outlet of this pipe has to be connected behind the washing machine. Make sure to screw all the female thread connectors properly so that there is no leakage. So this is as simple. The filter is ready to use now. So what we have done is, the pipe which was coming from the tap connected to your washing machine, we have connected that pipe to the inlet of this washing machine filter. From here the water will pass through the sediment filter, which will remove any kind of sediment from the water, and then it will pass through this hardness, scaling and iron remover. So here the water will be treated for all these kind of problems, and from here the water will go, the treated water will go inside the washing machine. Regarding the service of this particular filter, we advise to service the filter every 3 months. Every 3 months you have to wash the cartridges, and we suggest to change the cartridges every 6 months. So all these filtration cartridges and all these are Indian manufactured products. They are easily available with us and available on the online platforms. If you have any query or if you face any problem, you can connect with us. The maximum problem you get is of leakage. In 99% of the cases, the only problem will be of leakage. So for leakage, as I already told you, if there is a leakage between in filter 1 or filter 2, it would be probably from the cap. So what you need to do is, you need to make sure that the O-rings on the cap are sitting properly, as I showed you in the video. Now if there is leakage on the connectors, the other place where there would be leakage are the connectors. So if there is a leakage on the connectors, you have to make sure that you have applied the Teflon tapes on the connectors properly. So in case you still face any problem, you can reach us at the number shown here. The water filter would be able to take care of any water related issues that come in the washing machine. So after you install the filter, you would not need to get your washing machine serviced, because the filter will take care of it. I am Lokesh Chawla. Thanks for watching the video.